Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Echo Dot has a visible LED ring or that you'll use a paired smart bulb. This matters because some dots only show subtle light. Next, open the Alexa app and make sure your device and any smart bulbs are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, pick a color, set a brightness percentage, and decide if you want a schedule or motion trigger. These choices determine visibility and power use, so choose for comfort and battery life. Now you build the routine that turns your Echo Dot into a night light. In the Alexa app, create a new routine and select a trigger. Pick a specific time, the motion sensor event, or a voice phrase. Triggers change how automatic the light is. Then add an action. Choose your dot or smart bulb, set the color and brightness, and specify an off timer if you prefer. Make sure to test the routine immediately so you can tweak brightness and color for the right mood. Finish by testing the complete flow. Trigger the routine, watch the ring or bulb change color, and confirm the auto off works. This verifies the experience. If satisfied, add conditions like dimmer during certain hours or tie to Alexa Guard for presence-based behavior. If something fails, try a quick reboot of the dot and bulb, relink any third-party skill, and check Wi-Fi and firmware. Often a reconnect fixes communication issues. If not, rerun the routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.